Today, I'm interested in learning more about young women's attitudes towards the internet. Before we get started, it's important to learn some of the key terms used in crosstab analysis. It's sort of like learning a new language. So let's take a look. The picture on the left-hand side of the screen is a small snapshot of a larger crosstab. The total heading in the column header here represents the total number of survey respondents, and the numbers in the bottom right-hand cell represent all respondents who agree with the statement, "I like websites that take special care to protect my privacy." So let's start by defining the terms, and we'll get into the actual meaning of these numbers on the next slide. So the first term you need to understand is sample. Here, the total sample size is simply the number of total respondents to the Simmons survey. In this survey, we have a total of 24,054 respondents. Simmons contacts 24,000 people in two waves over the course of each year. 12,000 in the first wave fill out the survey in the spring, and another 12,000 fill out a survey in the second wave, which is done in the fall. These people are carefully selected to be representative of the total U.S. population. In doing so, we are able to generalize from these 24,054 respondents to the total U.S. population, which is represented here as 226,276,000 people. One thing to note and be very careful of, the 3 zeros that you see here next to the weighted in the parentheses. That means the number to the right is represented in thousands, so you have to add 3 zeros to the end of the number. So the weighted population is not 226,276, it's actually 226 million. That is a very important point to remember. That is the total number of adults 18 plus in the United States.